Hello, welcome to this new session and this live stream. One second. So I guess we are up and running on YouTube. So let's go through few charts. First of all, we have is BTC. Let me move this. Okay, so we saw a hike today from the price from 79,000 almost to 83,000. So that's a good hike. So, but what's the reason behind it? We saw a inverse cup and handle pattern. So we have another problem is this that I cannot share my pen tool here. So let me figure out that. And the mod is not active. Maybe I have to share my whole screen. If you need any analysis for the coin, you can just put in the chat. And if you have any questions, you can also ask me in the chat. Not the Discord one. So the people are from Discord. I won't be able to see the chat because the whole streaming setup is just based on the YouTube right now. So let me just do one thing. I know this is pretty much awful to do it on live, but I guess I don't have any choice. Here we go. So I hope so you can see the pen tool. So here we have a cup and handle on a BTC 15-minute chart. You can find this on the bigger time frame as well. So this is the first cup. So cup. This is the cup, and this is the handle. And with this neckline, you saw this hike, and we have SR interchange already made. So let me share the actual cup and handle as well with you. I've shared this earlier on the chat on Discord in the morning. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. I have it. And here's the cup and handle. So I guess it's the same. If you see it, we have this cup, and then we have this handle. Then we have a neckline, and from that neckline we saw this hike. So the SR interchange for this is yeah. This is the SR interchange the for the cup and handle inverse cup and handle pattern. So this is called as an inverse cup and handle pattern. And some of you have these doubts that with inverse cup and handle we gonna see a lower downtrend, but it's not gonna. It does not work like that because the institutions play at a very different level. So they have a different game with their thing. So when it comes to cup and handle, we inverse cup and handle, we see another uh, direction. So you normally, the stop losses of these people, of the retailers, are from for the downside. So to hunt those stop losses, this is the direction that institution use to go with it. And we have a chat. Let me see. Can you also go to? Yeah, sure, bro. Let me just get over this, and then we can go further. So also we have an equal high here. So we're gonna chase this as the double top, and then we have the equal high for this as well. Because of these, we will enter into the resistance zone. So this is all a resistance zone, but I expect after this retest that we'll be able to go past this level and go for a full SR interchange. So, do we have any FPGs? Yes, we do have this FPG. I don't think so. It should retest this and should be using this as support, and it's using it right now. When it comes to candlestick patterns, we have uh, well, actually, it's dodgy. If you combine these candles, merge these candles, you will still find a dodgy candle. So let's see how this, and it's a gravestone dodgy if you combine this. So let's suppose we have this candle, and it was green but it was red as well, so it becomes a wick, but it has like this small body, and it has this. So this becomes a gravestone doji, and you know that the gravestone doji is one of the bullish candlestick patterns. So I would say that now it's ready to break this, and it's gonna test this equal high, and then further we have this equal high as well on a 1 hourly chart. Yep. Okay. So there is not much noise. Okay. Let's see what we are getting trapped by, and this will be the major change of character because we had this evening star. So if you're able to close over this level, then we will see a major change of character, and that will be support for the market to go over. So if I'm gonna make a trade here, so well, I don't recommend you to trade, but for those who wanna trade, or if gonna trade here, so this should be my stop loss. This candle should be my stop loss, and as a disciplined trader, I would go with this, but I will have these levels of Fibonacci to have the right zone. So this is my stop loss. So I will TP here to make it the risk free, and then I will go for the another TP. So this is TP1, this is TP. TP1 is here, TP2 is here, TP3 is here. So yeah, that's how you will be trading with this long. I hope this was something you are able to uh, understand. And the market is, if you are using this straight trend line, you will go into troubles. Which touch point you gotta take? So I would say that you should take this curve and assume that the market is curving itself, like curving its trend to move forward with the trend falling, this trend falling line. So and acting like a bullish trend falling curve. So I usually use the trend falling curve with a straight trend line concept. So you will be using this straight trend line on every evening star. So we have this first evening star right here. We have this first evening star. Then we have this another evening star. Then So we'll use from here. So this is how things are going right now. Also, we have uh, head and shoulder. So this is head, this is shoulder, this is another shoulder. The direction for this we have to see, because I guess institutions are in play. So I guess this will the direction for this will be upwards, and we'll be able to go over this zone. But still, we have a huge resistance, and it's a key level to trade on. But since we have a SR interchange for this cup and handle, so I'd be like I'm gonna go for 85k. Yeah. So that's it for the BTC. Let's see how things work out for us on BTC. Let's now go for the gold. So previously, I have given the analysis that we will have the major stoppage right here, from where we got a re retest, and then the market is in the volume burst. So this is the volume burst area, and we have a cup and handle. Oh, sorry, head and shoulders pattern here, or a triple bottom, and it's creating an evening star, sorry, morning star, because we have an inverted inward hammer here, which is pushing the market upside. So let's see how this works. So we have an evening star here as well. So the evening star may cancel the morning star, but let's see. But we don't have enough liquidity, and it's a rising wedge for us. So and we have crossed this parallel channel. So looking for a downside move by the gold, because we have the key level, we have the volume burst. Now we don't have enough liquidity for an upwards climb, and we have this evening star to cancel it. So if it's able to climb this, it may try for another volume burst. But as of now, I see that it have exited the parallel channel, and based on the SR interchange, we can have the data still this here. So this is our area of reversal. 3177 to 38181. This is the area of reversal for us. Okay. Now we have SN SPX. SPX took the another hike from the major order block, and we have a stoppage. So let's see how this will turn out. So as of the macro news today, we had two news. We had the first, we had the PPI data, and we got a surprise of minus 0.2%, which is one of the greatest peaks of in the past few months, which shows that the market is in a disinflationary state. And with this, we are quite certain that the Feds will gonna loosen up some weights, and we will see some reduction of the inflation rate. So that's a good thing. But the Michigan consumer sentiment was quite low, and it's a 4 month low or 3 month low. So this is one of bearish sentiment which the market is going through. So the retailers are not into the market, but institutions. For institutions, it's a good play here, because they can buy the dip. They can go over the retailers stop losses, so and liquidity. So it's a good trade for the institutions and it's a bad trade for the retailers. And uh, as a like pro trader, or I won't call myself as a pro trader, but I will, like, as a disciplined trader or as a experienced trader, I would go with the institutions, and I am looking for more longs than shorts here, more uh, upside move than a downside move. And as you can see, we are seeing this, and we saw this as well. But since this was a big of a move and we need a separation of power, we chopped this area down and we got this FPG, and now we are cruising up. So we are good to go to hit another new level today. And right now we are almost at the equal high for this. Then we'll have this as well. So I'll mark these up. I'll add the alert as well. Let's see how this turns out. Now we have, I guess, we have USD JPY. So let's do that. So USD JPY got a huge downtrend and broke the trend following curve. So we are good to go till here. So the next breaker block will be this. So this will be my TP. And we also had the double bottom. So we will have a mild retest from here, and then we are good to break this breaker block, and then this one, this one up right here, and this is the major breaker block. Same goes with the Ethereum as well. So we saw a few charts, and as per the macro news and as per the technical analysis, everything seems bullish right now, and we have completed this equal high, and now we are going for the last equal high as well, and now we are in the resistance zone. So this can be a good TP here. So 83,950 can be a good TP for you. But since we are at the key level, doing a long here can be a bit risky. Almost done with the equal high, and can we can have a retest as well. As I said, that the market is bending itself, so we got this double top, and right now again the market is trying to bend itself for an upside move. So we have uh, uh, Wow, what a volume burst we are having. No words, and we win here. So we have broke out this equal high as well. So amazing. Almost at the resistance level. So you can TP here. So we had a nice trade, I guess. Those who took the trade right here. So this is our stop loss, and this was our risk-free TP on the equal high, and then now you can go for the TP one here. So yeah, going good. Last SR interchange level is 85,000. So with any concept, let it be SMC, ICT concept, or trap trading, or any concept you have heard of, or just using major support and resistances, there's nothing that works like a charm than the dual market concept, the dual market framework. So this framework has, like, it's made by myself. So I'm the one who has created this. With this, you just don't have the direction. You know the exact key reversal, where will we get the reversal, and when we are going for the breakout as well. So I'll be going through this concept, this framework in the next 300 days. We are going for a next big journey. And right now, this is a very start of it. So we'll be going further into this, and there are a lot of concepts that you might need to understand, you have to go through. So yeah, maybe there will be people who will see us as a stupid idiot, and that who have no reason to come on YouTube, and don't want to be negative here, but it's a bit of a pessimistic journey in the start. But as soon as we have enough visibility, and by giving value, I'm pretty sure that people will start looking up to this channel. We will be discussing more things in detail. Today I want to discuss the chaos of the financial market. I made a separate document that we'll be going through. Let's see how this turns out. So right now we are almost at the TP1, and if you are trading here, you can have the TP. The major TP can be done here, so you can go for 60%, even 70% here, and the last one can be done here. almost at this resistance zone. Let's see what happens. So, quick shot on the TP1. Let me see a 5 minute chart. So, we have Evening Star in the making. So, we had this equal high, and this will work as support. So, if you want to short here to the equal high, that works fine. But the market, I would recommend anyone to don't go against the market trend. So what's better? Like, what do you think it's better to do? Yeah, using this as support as a retest and then going for the long till here, or going short and getting stopped out maybe here. So really don't recommend to hop on within in the between of a trend and uh, going against the trend as well. So, but you can maybe if you're scalping on a 1 minute chart, maybe you can do it. But the market's not going to go below this because this is evening star, and if it goes below that point, so as you can see that it's using this as a support. So, and we have inverse gap here, so we're gonna go for another TP. So if you want to hop in for the long, this is the best time. But if you want to go short, I guess that wouldn't be good choice. Okay, we are going for the another TP. We have this major resistance. If it's able to climb till here, then that would be perfect. We have 8 minutes left, and it should make a candle here. Otherwise, I will call it as an evening star, and then we might retest and retrace. Otherwise, let's see, because we have a FPG right here now, so we need a retest. But since we have a trend, I don't think so. We should be going for a retest. But let's see. Let's see. Hopefully it won't, and just continue to go. But then comes with separation powers as well, so the power needs to be separated. That's into the question too. Hello, hello. So we have a ellipse here in the making. So yeah, yes, yes, second. Yep. No, 84K won't be viable, but we are retesting to 83,500, or you can go for 83,600 as well. Right now, ellipse is in the making, so wait for it to complete and then we can go for it. Yeah, yeah, that would be a optimal trading position. Your SL would be 83,500 would be good enough SL. If you're going 83,500, then well, we have an FEG as well. So I would say secure SL to 83,418, and yeah, that should be it. Okay, welcome. Okay, let me check the permissions. Okay, so maybe it's. I don't think so. There's anything in the server. You like there's some issue with the Discord app, maybe. Do you want me to server mute you? You can just ask me in the chat. I can unmute you. Okay, I will server mute you. Just let me know when you want to be unmuted. Okay. No, wait. It will retest this bearish engulfing. Until we have this bearish engulfing, we can go in for the long of the ellipse, and we also have to see if the SR interchange is not uh, inverse with this. So with ellipse, we have like two concepts. Ellipse can be used for the continuation of the trend, and ellipse can also be used for the retest of the trend. So here we have to see if this ellipse gives us a bullish engulfing in the end or a bearish engulfing. And you can see here it's so choppy here, and it's trying to give us the indication, but there's no awareness for us to hop in. So let's just wait. So we have Morningstar. That's one bullish candlestick button, but let's see how this turns out. 28 seconds. So 84K being a psychological resistance is important. Like it's one of a kind of factor, but right now we are just retesting that resistance. It won't be much of an issue with this LF. So in this LF, we are creating inside liquidity to create a pump to 284 200. So psychologically it can break that resistance and we can move forward. So right now we have this bullish engulfing, but still it's not a good one. So I would say that it will create an ellipse right here, and this ellipse with the bearish engulfing, and we will see an SR interchange from this to test this equal high again. Okay, we got now. We are 84K. So SR interchange means supply resistance interchange. So let me get back to the 1 hour, 1 minute again. So if this is the demand, it will convert into the supply. So this demand we saw, this supply will be converted into a you say like like a not resistance but supply into, so demand into a supply. So this is a demand, this will change interchange itself into a supply. Or since I told you that the ellipse can be used with two concepts, two ways. First we have is the continuation of the trend, and then we have the retesting of the trend. So here we are seeing a continuation of the trend as of now. So this will be our ellipse interchange, demand interchange, and with any concept, you have to use the central zone as well if you want to use. So this can be used as a central zone. So we are up above the central zone, and we will target for this uh, final demand. So here I have done this on the live market on a 1 minute chart. We had this ellipse. We used this bullish engulfing with this bullish engulfing. This is the bullish engulfing, and this demand will be continuing this demand as well. So here we will see the final demand. So the bullish engulfing war, and it was engulfing right here. So this will be the demand, final demand, and it's a central zone now for a retest. Okay. So on a longer time frame, One second, I'll be back. Shay, please wait. I'm live. What a wrong timing you have. The hell, yeah. So we have this resistance. So on a longer time frame, we have this. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. And we have almost an evening star. We had this ellipse as well on the lower time frame, retesting this bullish engulfing. So psychologically, 84K is major resistance, but my final take would be 85K because we had this. Uh, what was it? I just lost my chain of thought. So we had this cup and handle. So explained that this is the cup, this is the handle, and with this we have an SR interchange. Same thing. So a cup and handle is using itself as a continuation of the trend. So we'll use this demand, and we'll use it from the neckline. From this neckline, we see it to 85,600 something. So that's the plan right now for the long term. Some of the people were saying that with SMC we will see the resistance at equal highs, and we have beaten it with a big um, volume burst. So with any concept, let it be SMC, let it be trap trading, let it be support and resistances in general, nothing's going to work against the DMF concept, the dual market framework. It's done by my own research. It's done by my own 4 years of sleepless nights and my research. So I'll be going through this concept for another 300 days. So this is day one, and we have this day for just to have an introduction. In the second day, I'll be explaining you the concepts of DMF and how the financial market works. With that being said, we'll just continue this course. It's all free, it's all online, and let's hope we see a nice visibility for more peers to join in. So we have, I guess, 5 minutes left for the 15-minute candle. Hopefully it ends here and rejects this evening star. If it's doing that, then we're good to go for 85,400 long. I'll be AFK for 5 minutes. Hey, sorry, I was away. So we have resistances. Let me show you the Fibonacci. So the SR interchange is 1,000 85,600, but we will have a few resistances in between for the retracements. So right now we are going through this resistance. Was able to go and go part of this resistance, but was failed, and we have a downside hammer. So looking like an evening star, but maybe we can retest and fill this FAG and then try to go for it. But this is the total SI energy. This is what my final TP will be, which is 85 600. I have my trade on as well. I will be sharing this when I will hit the TP. Hopefully it's going good. Oh wow, it's actually going good. 41%. I took this on 82,218 and like 2018. Here is where I took this trade. So this was my stop loss. This morning star, I took this on the morning star, and I'm right here actually going like waiting for this. So I'll close some of my position here. Will the price? Hello, Ali. I woke up. Missed the early part. No problem. So the stream will be recorded, so you can go through it later. Is there any entry now? Yes, you can enter again after we have completed the FEG. So FEG will press like to try and film. Yes, the FEG will be filled. As far as the candlestick pattern is concerned, we have the evening star, like not a evening star, but we do have a hammer. So this is the FEG what we have. Let me remove this. This will be the FEG, and you can also target the middle of this FPG. So right now the market is trying to target this and will retest. So if you want to go for long here, you can and keep your stop loss till here. This would be a stop loss, and this will be a optimal trade entry. So if you're trading, then this is the optimal trading position, and this will be a stop loss for this, and this is where you'll make your trade risk free below this resistance. Yeah. Was it safe to entry now? No, 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 not now. We'll wait for the entry after the FEG is closed. And those who don't know why we have the SR interchange, so we had this cup and handle. So this is the cup and this is the handle. And let me bring my. I've shared this in the morning that we have a cup and handle, and we will have this SR interchange. SR interchange means supply to a resistance. So no problem. Oh, I couldn't paste this. So this is the cup and inverted cup and handle we are seeing. So this is the cup and this is the handle. So we have this cup, then we have this handle, we have this neckline, and now this is the direction of the market. So based on this concept, we have this SR interchange, and it's going good for us. Right at this trend line, and there was a retest of this trend line, and then we broke out from here. We have also gone over this equal high and this equal high as well from this to here. So both of these equal high will work as a support, concrete support for this price action. As per the macro indicators, we have the PPI data. So it was a reduction of with a zero point 0.2 number. So that's good. This says that the production rate is higher, and like the producing price is less than it was before. So that's a good thing. And with this, it's we are into a inflationary state. The next we had is was the Michigan sentiment. So Michigan sentiment was quite low. We saw a retest with that Michigan sentiment, and then we are good, and we are going for the complete SR interchange. Yep, as of now, this is it, and we'll be waiting until we have the complete SR. So the smart money setting. So I use this indicator. So if you don't wanna use, like if you don't know how to use the smart money concept, you can actually use this indicator, which is from Lux Algo Smart Money concept. So it tells you about the premium and discounts, the breakup structure. Then we have the high, low. So we have these all tags and equal highs and equal lows. We have change factors, and it also gives the FEG as well. So it's a good indicator. Here are my settings if you wanna use. Is the basic one. Just I've used a few more of the features like equal high and lows, fair value gaps, which you won't find like by default, enabled by default. So you can just enable them. You don't need highs and lows on a multiple time frame. But premium and discount zones and fair value gaps and equal high and lows are quite good to use. So we are almost at the premium, and we are retesting again. Sure, do sure. No problem. Hopefully, I am able to help you guys. I'm gonna take a leave here because I have to go on a call. So, if you have any questions, I have another 5 minutes to answer. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. So, if there's anyone new watching, I don't think so. There would be anybody else from the Discord. So, if you are not on Discord, you can join the server. We'll be continuing to do these things, and we will be able, and I'll be able to come tomorrow as well. I'll try to be consistent, and this is like a 300-day plan. So with every day, I'll be teaching something new, and I know there's nothing new here. Well, was able to uh, go through some concepts, but I want to go through the DMF concept, which I use for myself. So that's what we're gonna use as a topic for tomorrow. So if it retraces to the FEG at 83400, where's the TPLE? So the TP will be the full SR interchange. So let's suppose, so we had this cup and handle. So this is the cup, this is the handle, and with this we have a SR interchange till 85,600. So that will be a final TP. So if you join somewhere here, so, which is optimal trade entry, your TP, your first TP would to just risk free your SL and to just take a bit of a profit to just be in a break even. And your second TP can be so you can just use this Fibonacci as your TP. So if you're using this, if you're going from here, so this will be your first TP, this will be your second TP, and this will be your final TP as the final profit you have. So yeah. Uh, if it breaks below 61% fib level, is this long? Is the question. So if this breaks below the central zone 61%, then it's not valid. Then we can say that we can see a parallel channel, and then later tonight we can see another hike, but that would be not a good entry. Like we have to see for the pattern, maybe a pennant or low or falling wedge would help us to understand for the next uptrend. But I don't think so we will go to 61%, but if we do, that's not going to be a good entry until unless we if you know the candlestick pattern, if you know how a morning star works. So here I traded like I literally traded like on this, on the central zone, on this morning star. So if this fails, this is like a complete like change of character, so you can go for short here. But if it's not failing and it's coming here, then you can go long, and if you are seeing another morning star here, and you can go long for this TP. So we have two FAGs here, so we can say that this can be covered as well. No problem. Vermin, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, and hope so. I have answered your question. Cheese slice, I want that too. So I'm gonna take a leave here. So we have a hammer now. This is a good hammer and can give us a volume burst, expecting that it would make us go and break this resistance. This is psychological resistance as well, and this is a Fibonacci resistance for the entire SR interchange. So keep an eye on this. If you're able to close the body above this resistance, then you can go long for this. And I'm gonna post this on the Discord as well for those who need to keep a track of this Fibonacci and the TP levels. So going to post it now in the private club. YouTube accounts, I can zoom in. That's why it's not. Okay, no issues. Okay, guys. So catch you guys tomorrow, and hopefully I am able to help you guys. Have a great day, and bye.